A simple 5-minute throttle body clean can quickly turn into a total engine disaster if you're one of the thousands who accidentally triggers a permanent limp mode while trying to save a few bucks. In this video, I will show you how to clean a throttle body without damaging sensors or the computer. If your car is shaking and you need an engine idle fluctuation fix, you must follow these exact steps. Doing it the wrong way can lead to a $400 replacement bill. Following this guide ensures your car runs smoothly again while avoiding expensive repairs and protecting your engine's sensitive parts from any accidental damage. The role of the throttle body. Think of the throttle body as your engine's mouth for breathing. Just like you need to breathe clearly to run at your best, your car needs a steady, clean stream of air to stay powerful and efficient. As you drive your car over many miles, tiny amounts of dirty oil and sticky black carbon begin to build up around the edges of this important opening. Over time, this gunk acts like a clog, making it much harder for the engine to get the exact amount of air it needs at the right time. When this happens, you will start to notice some frustrating problems. Your car might shake or vibrate uncomfortably while you are sitting at a red light, or it might feel sluggish and slow to react when you push down on the gas pedal to speed up. This occurs because the mouth is struggling to open and close smoothly due to the sticky buildup. Cleaning away this dirt is the best way to restore the perfect airflow balance. By removing the carbon, you allow the internal parts to move freely again. This simple maintenance is the secret to fixing a rough idle and making your engine run quietly. Major mistakes to avoid. Cleaning while mounted. Cleaner fluid can leak into the engine and ruin expensive oxygen sensors. To stay safe, never spray the liquid directly inside. Instead, spray it onto a cloth first to wipe the dirt away. This protects your car from damage. Battery connected. Always unplug the negative battery cable first. This stops the car's computer from recording the wrong information while you work. If you skip this, the computer might get confused and trigger error codes like P0507. Wrong chemicals. Never use WD-40 or carb cleaner because they destroy the special non-stick coating inside. This can make the parts stick or fail. Use only specialized throttle body cleaner to keep your engine safe and working correctly. Scrubbing. Avoid using wire brushes or screwdrivers to clean the throttle body. These hard tools can cause deep scratches. Even a single tiny scratch can ruin the tight airflow seal and make your engine run poorly. To keep everything smooth and safe, use only soft tools like a brush or a microfiber cloth during the cleaning process. Signs you need a clean. You should clean this part if your car shakes while stopped or stalls at red lights. It is also time to clean it if you notice black dirt or carbon buildup around the metal plate. However, if the inside looks shiny and the plate moves back and forth easily, it does not need any service yet. Checking for these signs first will save you a lot of time and help you keep your engine running well. Following these simple steps ensures you only do the work when it is actually necessary for your car. Safety and preparation. Grab an 8mm or 10mm socket, a soft brush, and a clean microfiber towel. Before you touch anything else, there is one step that is absolutely crucial. You must disconnect the battery first. This keeps the car's computer safe while you are working. Next, carefully remove the air intake hose to reach the throttle body. While you are working, be very careful with the MAF sensor. This is a sensitive part that can break easily if it gets wet or dirty. Use a clean cloth to cover and shield the sensor so it stays completely dry. Taking these simple steps ensures that you can clean your engine without causing any accidental damage or expensive electrical problems. The professional technique. Open the plate gently. If your car has an electronic throttle, ask a friend to help hold it open. Spray the cleaner onto your towel instead of spraying it directly into the throttle body. Wipe the edges until all the black dirt is gone. For thick buildup, use a soft brush to scrub it away. Let everything air dry for 15 minutes before putting it back together. It is very important that you never flood the unit with liquid, as this can cause damage. The ECU Reset and Idle Relearn. If your engine speed jumps after cleaning, your car's computer is still using old, dirty data. To fix this, you must reset the system. Simply disconnect the battery for 10 minutes. This clears the old settings and helps your engine run smoothly again with the new, clean airflow. To help the car learn how to run smoothly again, follow these manual relearn steps. Turn the key on for 10 seconds, but do not start the engine. Turn the key off for 10 seconds. Start the engine and let it run for 10 minutes. Do not touch the gas pedal or turn on the AC during this time. Finally, restart the car to complete the process. This simple reset ensures your engine understands the new clean airflow and keeps your idle steady and smooth. Deep cleaning and removal. If the throttle plate is stuck or seized, you will need to remove the entire unit from the engine to clean it properly. Start by carefully unscrewing the 4 mounting bolts and unplugging the electrical connector. As you take the unit off, pay close attention to the rubber gasket. This small seal is very important. If you see any cracks or damage, replace it immediately. A broken gasket allows extra air to leak in, which causes the engine to run poorly. When cleaning a removed unit, you must be extremely careful with the electronics. You can soak the metal parts to break up heavy dirt, but you must keep the motor and sensors completely dry. Getting liquid inside the electrical housing can ruin the part permanently. Once the unit is clean and dry, put it back in place. When you put the bolts back in, tighten them evenly and slowly. Do not over-tighten one side first, as the housing is made of soft aluminum and can crack under too much pressure. Following these steps ensures a tight seal and keeps your engine running smoothly without any air leaks. Maintenance and pro tip. You should service this unit every 30,000 miles or every 15,000 miles if you mostly drive in the city. Regular cleaning helps your car use less gas and makes the engine react faster when you step on the pedal. Here is a secret tip. After cleaning, put a very light spray of silicone on the edges of the plate. This creates a slippery surface that helps stop black dirt and carbon from sticking in the future. If your car still has problems after cleaning, you should check the IAC valve or look for air leaks in the vacuum hoses. These are common spots that can cause a rough engine. Taking care of these small tasks yourself can save you thousands of dollars on professional car repairs. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips.